Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the LeetCode 75 study plan and today is day 3 and today we are solving a very interesting beginner friendly problem, that is the kids with the greatest number of candies, LeetCode number 1431. So first let's understand the problem, then break down the thinking process step by step, and finally write a clean and optimized solution for this. So let's read the problem statement. There are n kids with the candies. You are given an integer array candies where each candies of I represent the number of candies the ith kid has, and an integer extra candies denoting the number of extra candies that you have. You have to return a boolean array result of length n, where result of I is true if after giving the ith kid all the extra candies, they will have the greatest number of candies among all the kids or not. If not, then return the false otherwise. And note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. So let me simplify this problem statement first. You are given an array, this candies array. In this, where each element represent how many candies a kid have. Like this kid have the 2 candies, this have the 3, this have the 5, this have the 1 and the 3. And you have one extra candies extra variable. These extra candies you can give to any kid. And your task is to return a boolean array where true if that kid have the greatest number of candies after adding the extra candies, else return the false. Like I have the extra candies is 3, maximum is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, yes, it is equal to or greater than yes. 3 plus 3 is 6, it is greater than true. 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 3 is 4, that's why here I have to return the false here. And 3 plus 3 6, so we have to return the true. So this is the just a normal basic problem for this. Before coding, always ask what does the greatest number of candies means here. It means the maximum value in the array, right? So our first step is here is to find the maximum candies any kid currently has, and then in the step 2 we have to check whether the current candies plus extra candies is greater than the equal to maximum candies or not. Like 2 plus 3 is greater than equal to maximum candies or not. Then this kid can become the greatest true, else it is false. You do not need to compare every kid with every other kids, just compare with the maximum value, and this reduce your complexity and make the solution clean. So our approach is first find the maximum candy, then loop through each candy, then check the condition, and in last store the result. So let's try the code here. Const max candies equal to math dot max. Just spread the candies array and you will get the maximum value here. Now make a result array. This array is a boolean data type and into the array format. So and make into a new array by the constructor, and the air length is the candies dot length, and it is filled by the false value by default. Now start a for loop. Let I equal to 0, I smaller than candies dot length I plus plus. If candies of I is plus extra candies is greater than equal to maximum candies, then result of I array value is the true, and false is always by default in the array. So I do not have to write the else condition here, and in last return the result value. So let's run this solution. Yes, it passed. Let's try to submit. Yes, it passed. All the test cases are passed here, and means our this solution works perfectly. So basically, first we just take out the maximum candy by using the max.max and use the spread operator to use the array here. And after that, I create a new array here and till the candies.length and all filled with the false value. Means all the index has the false value, and start a for loop then and check whether the candies of I is the means that 2 plus 3 is means candies of I plus extra candies greater than or equal to maximum candies or not. If yes, then make it the true. False is always by default here, and in last return the result. And we can also write into the shorter version, that is the clean and short version of this, just by using this map. I need the maximum candy still, and here just write the return. Just use the candies dot map method, and you always know map always return the array format. So I just take the candies as the short version of C plus extra candies is greater than equal to maximum candies. If yes, then it just push them into the false or true, else it push the false value. Yes, it's sub. Let's try to submit this one. Yes, it accepted. See, both the solution are the same. I just make it a one-liner solution by the JavaScript map method, and this one is the basic one, the by using the traditional for loop. So nothing wrong with this also. So here time complexity is the big of n because we are traversing the complete for loop one time, and the space complexity also big of n. This is the genuine space complexity. We are not using any extraordinary space. This is the resultant array, so don't we like it's a good space complexity. And how to recognize this pattern, this type of pattern is like whenever you see the greatest, maximum, highest, compare each element with the condition, like I compare here also, and think, can I pre-compute a maximum value? Can I reduce the comparison using that value? Means prefix, suffix, these are these type of things like here. And like here I use the pre-compute the maximum or minimum value here just to compare in the for loop in the code. So this is called the pre-compute plus compare pattern, and that is for the day 3 of the LeetCode 75 series. If this video helped you understand the pattern, make sure to like the video, comment your doubt, and subscribe to JDCodebase for daily DSA content. Next video we will level up and even more. See you in the next video.